Hey guys, it's Moore here with Tech Tales. Today is Sunday, and today I'm going to give you a tip what to never, ever tell your clients, no matter how frustrated they are, no matter how much time you spend with them on the phone. Never say this: ma'am, sir, please, I'm trying to help. Don't ever say that. Why? Because you offend the client. You just offend them. If I were on the phone and a tech support person told me, hey, Moore, listen, I'm trying to help you, please, I would just be like, excuse me? Give me your manager right now. Don't say that. There is a better way to handle this. And what's the better way to tell them, ma'am, sir, I'm trying to help you? Very simply. John, Sally, Sarah, whatever their name is, I know this is frustrating for you. I want to help you as much as possible. I want to take care of this for you as soon as possible. I don't want you wasting more time on the phone with me. I've been in this position before. I know how to fix this. I think I know what I'm going to do. But please, I need you to trust me. The advice I'm about to give you is the same advice I would give my own parents. Please trust me. I agree with you 100%. But trust me. I need you to trust me. And once you trust me, I'll take care of the rest. Do you trust me? Try that on your next call and then tell me how the client reacts. Thanks, guys.